You see that? Juni-B. What you think of that, Juni? You like it? You like it? Juni, what you think? Little delightful squeals. Said little delightful squeals. Put her in the stroller. Let her sit in the stroller and watch them.
Behind me.
Oh, I just said, look, she could sit in there and watch them. What you think? Hmm? What you think about that? Those are some good ones, huh?
Oh, with the rapid fire.
Look, look! Look! I guess it was kind of worth the long walk. We had to walk because there are cars in the shop and my van only has the 2 front seats, so. How long did we walk? 4 miles?
Yeah.
4 mile walk. And then we got a 4 mile walk back and it's already past 9:30. You like that? Do you like those fireworks, Juni-B? It's hard to see you. Turn your phone on so I can see your light.
I don't have a phone.
Oh. Juni, what you think?
Ooh, that was a galaxy.
Sounds like she likes it. Juni, do you like that? I think she's just kind of in awe. Woo! How come every time I turn the camera away, you make noises?
It's usually
When I put the camera on you, you're quiet. Alright, well those are Bedford, Virginia fireworks. Juni-B's first 4th of July.